In this video, I show you our comments. You can use these in real time and time shifted if you work together. Let me show you an example. To insert a comment, simply click on More in the toolbar on the left side and select Comment. Now your mouse cursor becomes to a comment and you can add it to a place of your choice. As soon as you open the comment, you have something like an internal bot chat. On the right side of my screen, you can see my guest Marie. Marie recognized by small red number on the comment that there's a new message for her. Marie opens the comment and now we can chat with each other in real time and also like our comments. You can delete your own comments using the little icon here. Okay, now imagine you are working together on a big project and sometimes at different times. Then you have the opportunity to mention your project partner in a comment, like this here. By start writing with an @ you activate this function and you can mention the person that you like. Marie immediately receives an email with a note that I have mentioned her. By clicking on the button in the email, Marie will be taken directly to your comment on the board. So you can work together perfectly at different times. To move the comment, move your mouse over the comment here, and now your mouse cursor becomes a hand. And you can move it on which place you like. For example, right here at the black circle. Yeah, and you also have the option of adding the comment directly to an object. To do this, simply select the object of your choice and click on the 3 dots here. And in the second step, click on Add Comment. This is very easy. If you like to use keyboard shortcuts, I recommend that you simply press the C key. And now your mouse cursor will turn into a comment symbol and you can place it wherever you like. I wish you a lot of fun and happy colorboarding forever.